Alright, I'm calling it right now. Snickers is the next popular dog on YouTube. We're gonna call this the Belching Dog. I'm gonna create a montage of all of Snickers' burps. So, once he finishes eating, as you can see, that's all he does. Then he will shortly go and rest his belly and just let it out. So, we'll let him finish and then we'll come back. Fighting over the last few bites. That's Mozart. There's Snickers.
There's no snakes.
Hey, buddy. We're gonna wait for him to belch. Oh, that's a good picture.
I know.
Hey, bud. That's my boy. He doesn't even realize what he's doing. Oh. Yummy. There's the Burping Dog.